If you like to fix things, take things apart and see how they work, that would be the type of person that would work well here. It's a really, really strong hands-on field, and you have to be able to do things with your hands. The program is a 2-year associate degree program. We do also offer a certificate and a diploma. It's a very big field. It covers a wide spectrum of equipment and systems, and so we try to cover as much of that field as we can. And in the 2-year degree, they would take all of it. In the diploma program, it'd be primarily residential equipment. We basically consider the second year more of the advanced skills. Another important aspect of the program is we do offer both day and night classes so that you could have a job and then go to school at night. It gives us students that versatility that they might need to gain employment or keep employed. We cover heating equipment, cooling equipment, refrigeration equipment, duct systems, ice machines. In the heating aspect, we talk about forced air heating systems and hot water heating systems. We also talk about heat pumps. And refrigeration is everything from your domestic home refrigerator, all the way up to a system that you might see at the arsenal that's used in a manufacturing process. And then in everything in between. The other thing would be alternative energy. Geothermal is a really big thing right now, and with geothermal we can heat or cool. We're always also getting into the solar aspect of it, where we're actually using a solar panel to generate the electricity to power an air conditioning system. For a lot of companies, that's cutting edge. And that's what we try to do in the lab here, is we try to make sure that all of our equipment is as close to new technology as possible, because they need to be able to see that. They need to see new technology, and it's changing constantly.
It's one of the best facilities in the state or in the Quad Cities. We have sheet metal, we have a residential facility. There's a lab in the center that does ice machines, chillers, high efficiency boilers, geothermal equipment. We have an electrical lab on the other side as well. Our own computer lab, our 2 classrooms, and an inside storage facility.
It's a pretty large variety of jobs. They could get into the service technician type of job where they're working strictly on residential furnaces, maybe light commercial heating systems and air conditioning systems. And they might be doing service work or install work or a combination of the two. We're also going to have people in sales. We have students that go into design work. So in other words, they're designing equipment for new buildings, new homes, whatever. Along with that design work, we have people that go into what we call the estimating field. And of course, we have a lot of people going into the maintenance field. A lot of our students do go into maintenance at local hospitals, apartment complexes, some of the local manufacturers.
Our program has pretty much 100% placement. It's an ever-growing market because, no matter what we have made outside this country, we have to fix it here. Plenty of opportunities out there, California or anywhere in the Midwest or any place you want to go. It doesn't matter. Florida's looking for people, Texas, all over. If you don't want to stay here, that's fine. I mean, you'll do fine wherever you go.
We have partnerships with local industry. They help us quite a bit. We have an advisory committee that consists of local contractors and local wholesalers. They've been very instrumental in providing equipment and tools and things like that, both to the program and to the students. Along with the normal tuition costs that you'd have to pay to take any college course, we have a tool cost which runs about $1,000 for tools. And the thing we always stress with tools is when you go out of here, the employers are going to require you have your own set of tools. So the tools aren't just purchased for the class, they're purchased for your future. You should have a fairly good mechanical skill set when you come in. There's good possibilities of making very good money in the field. Now, right now we're taking journeyman scale around $30 an hour. If you go out and talk to people in the field, you won't have a hard time finding somebody that's a graduate from the program.